Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of my deep clean, surface clean for my apartment. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and hopefully this is relaxing but also motivating for you guys, because I know that it can be pretty hard to get yourself out of a funk when it comes to cleaning your space and getting better. But at the end of the day, when you do it, girl, I can promise you it will feel better. Relax, chill out, and hopefully this motivates you. Okay, that's better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video and want to see more cleaning videos like this, or just more videos from me in general, hit that subscribe button, comment down below so that I know that you watched. Also, like the video if you want. I do plan to upload a lot more. There's been a lot of crazy things happening. You can kind of refer to my shorts to see what's been happening with me, but I also want to do an update video, maybe a get ready with me, where I talk about life and what's been happening. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video helped you in some sort of way. I will see you in my next video. Bye.